I've heard from time and time again that marketing is the hardest part for nurses. I think that we're just used to kind of being a little bit humble with our skills at the bedside. Like, we're not like, we're the best, look at us, pick us as a nurse. Like, we just get in there and do it and move on. So when we have a business to sell, it feels weird because we're not in sales, we're in service. So it's a totally
Yeah.
different thing to wrap your mind around. I also want to circle back. I love something that you said earlier. You said that you're still at your current job because it provides you with flexibility and you have a family. So it also
Hmm.
provides you with a sense of stability. I think that is so fabulous that you said that because a lot of people measure success when they've left the bedside. And I help nurses transition like away from the bedside and become writers. And I tell them all the time, stay at the bedside until you are so comfortable. Staying at the bedside while having a side hustle and scaling it up allows you to take risks that you might not have taken if you were just depending on your side hustle or business capital.